Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you and I will teach you that how we can make aquaponic animation in PowerPoint. So for this, first of all we will come to home and we will just select it and draw some line. I think 0.3 width will be fine, 0.3 centimeter, okay, and 5.5 will height will be fine. So I will take copy from it and just will drag it up to here, and I will take another copy from here. How I take copy, I just press holding control and drag the bar. So that's how I can take copy. You can take copy from just simply copy paste. I will rotate this one and I will drag and drop. I will take up to here and will adjust this up to here. Okay, now I will adjust it to, I will select both and I will come here to arrangement, and the arrangement I will align to the bottom align. Okay, so this is fine, I think. Now I select all of the rectangles and will make it union. So that's how a beautiful shape is made. Now we will colorize it something like this and with the black outline. So this is a little bit tank for our fishes. We will make another box or another shape for the plants. Now I will select all these and will make it bottom align so that it look fine, and the height of these two should be same so that it look symmetrical same. Now I will come here and to combine and change its color something like this. Okay, so we have two tanks, one for the fishes, one for the plant, and one for the sending back the water to the fishes tank. I have downloaded some fishes pictures in PNG format and some graphics, so you can download it from online, Prefake or Pixabay or any other website that you like. So I will just insert those graphics into my PowerPoint. I'm just copy pasting those graphics here. Okay, and I also downloaded some plants structure from internet. You can freely download it from Prefake. It is available on Prefake, or you can download it from any other source that is easy for you. Now we will add water in this tank, and water and soil in this tank, and also water in this tank. For this I will take a rectangle. I will take a big rectangle something like this, will select and will send it to back and make its color like water and remove its outline. Now you see there is black outline of this water. Okay, why I make it a big rectangle than the tank, so I will I will tell you that why I will make it. So I will remove the no outline. I will make it something like waves in the water. So I will just come to edit point. I will add point, add point, add point, add point, add point, add point, add point. Now I will select and make it smooth point, smooth point, and smooth point, and smooth point, and smooth point, and smooth point. Now you can make it something like wave style. Okay, now you can see that how smoothly or how beautiful it looks like. So I want to animate it, so I will take another copy from this and will bring it up to here, and I will make it flip horizontal. Okay, so I will take it up to here. I will select both and will send it to back. Okay, now you see that these I make these two slides, these two graphics, and one is behind and one is in the front. Okay, let's make this one is little bit transparent so that we can see the difference between the color of the two waves. Now I will select this one and go to animation, and the animation I will just come here and will select the line animation. So I will just take the line animation up to here. Okay, and then I will select this, the second layer of the water, and I will go to the animation, and the animation I will select line animation, and I will take this animation up to here. Okay, and I will select both the animation, go to the effect option, and the effect option I will make it up to 0, 0, and the timing I want that this animation should repeat until the end of the slide. Okay, then I will select OK. This should start with the slide presentation. Now let's see that how it look like. It's look little bit awkward because these graphics or this water goes outside of the whistle, so we should disappear, or we should hide this area of the water. So for this I will take a copy from this, and I will go to the home. I will take another shape, a rectangle shape, and I will take something like this. Okay, and I will select this color, this shape, the blue shape that I draw, and this one, the rectangle that I make a copy from this one. So I will just subtract it. Now you see that edit point, so I should delete this point, delete point, this delete point, this one delete point. Okay, now you can see that is the perfect outlines of this whistle. So I will make it white, okay, and no outline, but we will increase its size because we just make it a small size. So I will drag this point and this point, this point, and this point. Okay, and I will just make it up, bring up to front. Now let's see that how it looks like now. Now you see that how these animations look fine, and we will just increase its timing so this animation look more naturally. Now let's see that. Okay, so these animations, that's how you can animate water and PowerPoint. Okay, now we will animate the fishes. These adjustments are a little bit adjustments which I did was fine, it's not a big issue. Now I will animate the fishes. So for this I will just select this fish, and for this animation I will just go for the line animation, and I will take the fish should move from this point to here, not that point. I will bring it up to here, yes, and I will just select this fish and will go to animation painter and animate the same and copy the same animation to this fish. I will take it little bit above, okay, something like that. Okay, and I will add animation to this fish also. but this animation should be from left to right. Okay, and take this animation up to here. Something like this. Okay, then I will select all these three animation and will go to the timing, and I want that this should move under the until the end of the slide, and this animation should be something 5 seconds and no smooth end, smooth start, and we'll select OK. Okay, and this also should will start with the previous animation. Let's see that how it look like now. Now you see that these fishes go straight this way, but I want it little bit more interesting, that this fish should move a little bit more so that the animation look little more naturally. So I will select this one. So for this I will go to animation and I will go to the add animation, and for the add animation I will add teeter animation. So I will just double click for it, and I will just go that it should also end until the end of the slides, and OK. Start with previous. I will also add animation to these two fishes also, so I will go to add animation and also apply the same animation to them. I will select it and just go to timing, and I will select repeat until the end of the slide, and OK, and start with the previous. Now let's see that how it look like. Okay, so this part of animation is completed. Now we will come here to this part and this, and then this part. So for this I will add a water pump here. Okay, so that the water is pumping from this part to another. I just downloaded this picture from internet, or you can make it on your own self. It's all about you. Sorry, let me just take these fishes little bit above, something like this, like this. Okay, and now I will draw a pipe, that the pipe will go from this side and start water showering here. So for this I will go to home and take box. I will take one rectangle, then just take the copy of rectangle from here, rotate it and make it vertically. Then I will make it up to 12 centimeter. Okay, make it little bit zoom. Okay, now I will just take another copy from it, rotate it, and go to the format shape and decrease its size up to 6 centimeter. I think will be fine. Okay, so it will be something like this. Just increase it, that it should reaches to the end of this water container. Okay, I will just make it little bit above. Okay, that's fine, and just decrease the size little bit. I think it's fine up to here. Okay, now I will just select these three and we'll go to the merge shape, and then I will just make it union so that it will look one pipe. Okay, make the outline black and this thing is no fill, and just give it some kind of gradient so that it looks like a pipe, silver iron pipe. So I will just go to format shape and go gradient, and the gradient I will select some kind like this. or you can just go only per gray color. Okay, and I will just add some adjustments so that it look fine. I will add some kind of heading here, so that the 5 is end here. So I will also change the color of this rectangle into some kind like this, or I think little bit more black. Okay, so up to here it is, and the 5 is blocked. Okay, so that the water only come from here and then here. So let me make it little bit brownish brown color so that it look like sail color. Send to bake. Okay, I will take the color from my old PowerPoint. I will just take this color from here, or you can just copy and paste the same color from internet. So now I will insert some lines so that it look like that the water is spraying up to here. Another line here, another line here. So now these lines are looking that little bit water spray, but let me adjust it little bit more, and I will just convert it into dotted line. And convert its color into watercolor. Okay, something like this, and adjust another one here, and adjust another one here. Okay, select these 3 lines and Control G by grouping, or you can just select this one, and this one, and right click and then group and group. Okay, you can just bring this 5 up to front so it look more beautiful. Okay, I will just add animation to these water showering animations, and I will go to the wipe animation. The wipe animation should be downward direction. Go to animation, go to the timing, adjust the timing. That way this animation should end until the end of the slide. Go for 1 second, I think is defined, and should start with the previous. Okay, so I will add an arrow here that the water is moving in this direction. I will add arrow, another arrow here, okay, make its color white. Okay, so that the water is moving in this direction. So almost that part is also completed. Now this water then drain from this part and goes here and then back here. So for this I will just copy paste the whole tank like this one. First of all, I will delete this one because I don't like to add all the animation from the start. So I will just copy paste and drag and drop this thing. But the one thing I didn't select is this white area that which I make already. So I will select all these except this white color. I will just take it here. I think it's fine here. Let's take it here. Okay, and here we don't need any fishes, so I will delete the fishes here. Fish, so I delete something else. I will here delete fishes. Okay, so now the whole animations look fine. Now I need another pipe that drain water come from here. So for this I will take again rectangle. I will start rectangles from here. up to here and make its color watercolor and no outline. Send to back. Okay, now I will add animation to it. I will add animation, wipe animation from top to bottom, and will adjust its timing and everything. I will just adjust its timing until the end of slide and 0.1 second each. Okay, start with previous. Now let's see that how these animations look like now. Now you can see that this tank is animated, fish are moving, and this line shows that the water should is flowing in this direction. There is water spray. There is water spray. I should add a little bit blinking here, green blinking, that this pump is working, and this water then come in this direction, and some kind of animation water. And now I want to make another pump from here and here up to here. Now let's see that how the animation is working, but before that I will add some lighting here so that it shows that this pump is in working condition. Okay, so let me add a little circle here. Let me zoom it and let me make it green and no outline. Sorry, no outline. And go to animation. In the animation I will come here to emphasis animation, and this I will check it that is the color pulse animation is looking fine. I think it is good. Or blinking animations look fine, so I will just double click on it. I will go to a timing so that I need this animation should play until the end of the slides. Okay, I will just copy the same structure, the same shape to this pump also. Okay, and then I will adjust its timing. Then I will just go, everything is okay. I just want to start it with the previous. Okay, now let's see that how it's look like. Now you see that how this beautiful animation work. The green light is working in the pump, and you can also see that how the water is flowing from top to bottom. So this is the whole process of hydroponic in PowerPoint. So you can make all these PowerPoint animation by yourself. If you need any help or anything else, or if you want to make presentation for yourself, so just contact me. I will make it for you. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can freely ask in comment section. Thank you very much.